Oh, that was close. Yep. Yeah. Ah. Hey, Quincy, you see Mama and Papa? There's Mama and Papa. Can you say Mama? Papa. Can you say Mama? There's Mama. You guys say Mama now. Say Mama. You say Papa. Papa. Is that good enough? Is that good enough? I hope so. Mama, she said your name.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.